Before we go any further, let's share our airport adventure. We thought departing from Ontario Airport would be a breeze. Unfortunately, the security line was out the door, uncommon to other fellow travelers, especially because they all had the same flight. But anyways, pro tip, get TSA pre-check.
What time is it?
I'm gonna be sick. I don't know, like 5:50.
5:50 off. Flight leaves at 5:45.
We have to get on a train to get to baggage claim?
Yes, no idea where we're going. Stay on this guy. Yours on the floor too?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a cool board now, man.
It's an older board.
Snowboards.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let's flip it.
Did it sweat?
Yeah, maybe not.
We'll try it.
It's just that look.
We've officially made it to Colorado. And right now, we're playing Tetris with the snowboards.
Got yours, Austin. It fits in the back.
Sick.
Look at that!
And I was
Four
It's
snowboard
one of those things on
I
top.
know!
Yeah.
It's a roof.
Look at that!
All right, do we have
$700
a rope? Because I want to get pulled right now on the street.
On our way to Breckenridge. It's cold in that room.
What's your? Damn!
Is yours cold too?
Damn, it's cold.
We've officially made it to Breckenridge, Colorado. On the hunt for some snow jackets and a vest, right?
Yeah. And
Yep. Didn't prepare. No, I'm just kidding. We couldn't fit anything. We couldn't fit anything in the luggage.
We're at Breckenridge Ski Resort.
Yep. Say hi to
We have Christopher.
Christopher
And
Sir Charles. I got your picture.
I'm ready to come back and mountain bike.
I know. Kind of want to see what this place looks like during the mountain bike season.
Get Charles on a bike.
I know. Do you mountain bike, Charles?
A little bit. Oh, that was cool. Just caught the avalanche explosion.
Avalanche explosions are controlled blasts used to manage avalanches. They aim to break apart unstable layers of snow on steep mountain slopes, creating a controlled and smaller avalanche. This method prevents the buildup of unstable snow, lowering the risk of larger and more hazardous avalanches.
All right.
Nice and easy.
Y'all enjoy your trip.
Thank you, you too.
Oh, yeah, dude.
Are you okay? What happened? You okay? Oh! It's a little bit icy too. Yeah, especially when that sun's down.
hotel. So after our Breckenridge ski day, we are all smoked and it's 7:50 and I'm out of breath.
Yeah, I did.
Here we all are.
We made it.
We're alive.
We all took Advil
Nap time.
because broken. Good morning. It is 8 o'clock in the morning and we're headed to Loveland Ski Resort.
Woo!
It's cold.
It's like 12 degrees outside.
Yeah.
Fahrenheit. 12 degrees Fahrenheit.
It was 8 degrees earlier.
Yeah, so negative Celsius, whatever that is.
Yep. Left the water jug in the van. It's frozen solid. I love this song. Believe it or not, it's supposed to be warmer today.
Yeah.
Lifesavers. You guys look so miserable.
Not bad. Tolerable.
That lift is not as subtle as Breckenridge. I made it to Loveland. This place is definitely higher than Breckenridge.
A lot.
What's the elevation
I'll check
here?
my phone when we get to the top.
11,000?
Yeah, I don't want to pull it out on the lift.
Yeah.
I've dropped gloves before, goggles. I ain't dropping my phone.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Jeez. Well, at least it's soft snow underneath us.
That's true.
Yeah, I like this one better. It's nice and mellow. It's not too bad. Watch us! Take off your gloves! You gotta shimmy. Here we go. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh my god, my head. Oh.